African lion cubs drum beat with stomping paw. In the savannah where the tall grass grows, lion cubs prance from nose to toes. Raw, raw, hear the jungle cheer. Stomp, stomp, shake your mane, party here. Paws up high, let the sun shine in where the wild things groove. The fun begins. Cub Carnival, shake the night. Roll, growl, splash, munch, take flight. Jump like lions, prowl like tigers. Slide on ice, jump bamboo fighters. Wild hearts beat to nature's drum. Cub Carnival, where the wild ones come. Mud heads. Snowflakes fall where the tiger glows. Tiger cubs pounce on shadowy toes. Stripes in the night, crunch, crunch. Leap high, feel their might. Icy scent, water splashes. Arctic waves where the icebergs flow. Polar cubs dive in the frosty show. Splash, splashes, cracks below. Wiggle, wobble, shimmy in the snow. Panda cubs got camper zoos. Bamboo forest, climb, climb, climb. Panda cubs roll in summertime. Munch, munch, feast all day. Creak, creak, swing, then nap away.